Do you think this NS6010 can handle this big chisel disc? Let's get out in the field and find out. I usually run this on the 7320. And it bites into the ground seriously, so I want to see if this NS is going to be able to handle it. So let's get some fresh air. Thanks. Alright, so we're missing a goose, and some of the little ones just come out of the grass, and there's another one got himself stuck in the grass over here. Now he's hiding. He was sticking his head up a minute ago. There he is. Come on out of there. I mean, they kind of know how to fly, but that's not good, the direction you're going, buddy. He's on my trail there right now, but you need to get them wings lifted. You can take off from the pond dam and kind of fly into the water. You need to get back to the pond or get your wings going. Alright, we're going to see if the NS can handle the chisel disc today. Alright, the very first try with the NS, and it's handling it like a boss. I'm in mid-range. Well, I guess that answers that. All right, every kind of tillage method has advantages and disadvantages, and one of the disadvantages of this chisel disc is what you see right here. It will catch a bunch of clumps of the grass, although I was trying to do the buffalo system and I was not able to get a drill when I needed it, so that's why I'm disking it. So a drill probably would have been better for this, but when you got all that matting on top, occasionally it doesn't rip through it. You'll get clumps like this where I got to push them off to the side and keep going. Got one of my old cameras down at the base of this pole there. So first pass I had to put them rippers down lower and go kind of fast so I didn't clump up with all that slash. Just about done with the first pass. From here on out it should get easier, and then I'll lower that rake in the back. I can't lower that yet either because of the thatch. I really need to borrow Curtis's drill just to try to drill a couple of these buffalo fields. You know how it is, he's busy, I'm busy, and when I'm available he's not, and vice versa. So you do what you gotta do. I mean, old school like this has worked, you know, for me for many years, but I did want to try drilling some this year, so I'll see Curtis tomorrow. We are no wait, Friday we're going out to 291, and we're going to plant out there. Second pass. These two plots are doing pretty good here. And a lot of it's the grains, which is why I layer the grains. You know, the deer are in here every night already, but I could see, like, this was the perennial. I could see, you know, other plants besides the grains. You know, they got chicory, alfalfa, and of course 3 different clovers. But that's looking pretty decent, and I'm going to be probably spraying these today with the new system. Low yield, and then whatever else the guy recommended to me for each of these plots. And the pH stuff. You can put the pH stuff on. There's certain times, but I think I can put it on now that they've got leaves started. We'll find out soon when I go up and read the instructions. All right, time for the second pass. The second pass is really rough on my back and on your body because it's so clumped up, but once I get this gate down, which I'm doing on the third pass, it'll be much improved. I'm pretty surprised at how much power this thing's got. I mean, it's why I got a 60. I always get as much as I can for horsepower and tractor. And this one has the new all hydraulic transmission, which evidently KIOTI really likes the new one. There you can see my perennial plot. I mean, I'm sure there's some weeds in there. But them weeds will be coming to the end of their lifespan here really quick. We're at the 1st of September. Almost. Progress. Good day. I'm really happy about this thing working with the chisel disc. Alright, third pass here on this last strip. You can see the difference. I'm definitely going to do a fourth one. I want it worked up really nice and as smooth as I can get it. Alright, I'm going to try another one of Paul's mixes in one of these new spots. It's Dixie grains and radishes. Kind of what I do with my cereal grain mix, but it's different. We got Hayden oats, winter wheat, Secal, rye, Austrian winter peas, and groundhog radishes. Alright, so my house food plot up in this corner and this little strip here up to a little bit past that pole, I put the Dixie grain mix and just only that mix up in here. And then I just did a mix of brassicas on all the rest and overseeded some brassicas in here and this chaff stuff. So I'm gonna go read up on the sprays now and figure out what I gotta spray. Alright, looks like the goober goose found his way back. We're back to the full plan. So here's the stuff that I applied. My plots are pretty small, so I went ahead and mixed the clover 318-18 with the other stuff because they're too small to mix separate tanks. So anyways, this is just a spike of this 4024, a spike of this for the clover 318-18, then pH Agra for the pH fixing, and Mo Yield. Where's Mo Yield at? Oh, I did, and this is Mo Yield. This is a universal, kind of goes on everything. So I planted them just a little light because I hate to burn up the plants since they're small, but fingers crossed, man, we'll see some improvement.